Hey, I am Ada. Welcome to my channel. I am sharing 25 video ideas with you today. All right, if you are a new YouTuber, I know how challenging it can get to come up with video ideas, so I've kind of solved that problem for you with 25 video ideas. All right, so let's get started. But first of all, please give me a thumbs up if you enjoy my videos. Okay, if you are a returning subscriber, I am so appreciative of you returning and keeping on watching my videos. Thank you. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and follow along and see the rest of my videos. Okay, so let's get going. Number one video idea I have for you is how-to videos are always great. Okay, you know, you can show how to do anything, how to cook, how to bake a pie, how to dye your hair. Like I dyed this hair was blonde. I dyed it, well, my daughter dyed it for me this color. And so you can make a video on how to do whatever it is that you know how to do. Number two is pros and cons videos on how to start a YouTube channel. I'm gonna make that video because I want to, you know, there are pros and cons. It's not all rosy, you know. I mean, I enjoy YouTube, I enjoy making these videos, but there are days that, you know, there are some pros and cons to it. And everybody's pros and cons is going to be different. So you can make your video of your pros and cons of having a YouTube channel or being a YouTuber. Okay, number three, reaction videos are fantastic. They are, you know, videos where you react to a movie that you saw or a TV show that you watch or a even a YouTube video that you've watched. You know, you can just react and tell us what you think about it, you know, what's up with it. Number four, product reviews. Those are great also. If you bought something from anywhere, Amazon or your favorite store, you know, you just open it up and review it. Let us know, share with us what you think about it. How do you like it? How do you not like it? You know, just explain. Number five, clothing hauls or, you know, try-on hauls. Those are fantastic because, you know, we want to see, you know, we want to see you model and show us what you got, you know, like, so those are fun to watch. So those are that's a good one. Now DIYs are also great. You can show us how you do your nails. I just made such a video. You can show us how you know, do different things, whatever it is that you know how to do. You show us how you do it. Number seven is a room tour. You can give us a room tour of your room or your, you know, like if you're living wherever in a dorm room, you know, you can show us how you're able to fit all your things in your dorm room. And I know how cramped those rooms can be. So you can just show us how you're able to fit your stuff in there. And then, or if you're living at home, you can show us your room, how you organize it and that kind of thing. Number eight is how to edit YouTube. Okay, you know, not everyone is familiar with it, especially you're starting new. You might want to check YouTube and see how to edit, so you can make such a video. If you have mastered your editing or you have an idea how to edit, you can show that to us and we will be watching. All right, number nine, hang on, is packing your suitcase video. Okay, something as simple as packing your suitcase could be a YouTube video that you could make to show us how you pack your stuff when you're traveling, when you're going on vacation, or, you know, or going anywhere. Even if it's a mini vacation or a weekend getaway, you can show us how you're able to fit all your stuff in your small suitcase that you're allowed to carry. You know, how you fit your shoes in there and your makeup and all your, you know, all your gadgets that you're taking with you. Show us how you're able to, there's, you know, sometimes there's a skill to it to show, and I'm gonna do that video too one of these days. If I travel, I'm gonna show you guys how I pack, you know, how I'm able to fit all my stuff that I take with me. And I thought that was a great video idea because there was a time that I traveled and, you know, I had all this stuff that I needed to take and, you know, in my carry-on, and I had to figure out a way to put everything in there, and I did. So I'm going to show it to you guys, okay, in one of my videos. All right, number 10 is a cleaning video, clean with me video. You can show us how you clean your room or your house. You just take us along, clean with me. It's, would be the title of it. Okay, number 11, how to organize your space. Okay, that's a great one too, that you can show us, take us along. You're cleaning, or organizing, like how you organize your closet or your room or your, or your space, wherever it is. Show us how you do it. It will take 10 to 20 minutes, video to make that. So you can share that with us. Number 12. Okay. Number 12 is a workout routine. Okay. We all like to be in shape and look good. So you can show us what you do to stay fit, to look good, right? Okay. So those ones are always good. People want to know, Number 13, morning or evening routine. Okay, what you do in the morning to get yourself ready for whatever it is that you do, going to work or going, whatever it is that you do, whether you work at home or work outside of the home, you can show us your routine, right? Number 14, skincare routine. I just did that video, and that's basically just showing us how you take care of your skin. Everybody has a different routine, so it doesn't hurt to learn a few routines, so you can, maybe if you're missing something, you can add it to yours. Number 15 is get to know me Q&A. Now this one is usually for people that have like a subscriber base that they're starting to ask questions about you, and they want to know some things, so you can answer some of their questions and make a video of it. Number 16, gaming video. This one's for guys. A lot of guys are into gaming these days, so you can make a gaming video. My son makes those, so yeah. Number 17, vlogs about a day or week in your life. You can vlog about yourself going shopping or going on vacation, going to the beach. We want to come along and see what you're doing. Okay, we're nosy. Number 18, teach an important life skill. Okay, if there's a life skill that you are familiar with and you think you're really good at it, you can teach it and make a video of that. Number 19, discuss the history of a topic that you're passionate about. All right, I like to do that one. I like to do a lot of teaching in my videos. So yeah, find something that you're passionate about and teach it. All right, and do a video, make a video of yourself teaching us that topic. Number 20, if you are a person who manages time well, because not everybody is skilled in that. If you are skilled in time management, you can make a video showing us how you manage your time so that we can learn and manage our time better. Number 21, review your gadgets. Okay, use your phone, so review your gadgets. So if you have whatever kind of phone you have, an iPhone or a Samsung Galaxy or whatever other kind of phone is out there that you have, you show us how it works. Like, what do you like about it? What do you not like about it? What do you wish you had in your phone? Number 22, prank videos. I want to do a prank video so bad, okay? And I'm working on it. I got to figure out who in my house to prank, okay? I got to prank somebody. I've been asking them, can I prank you? So I'm going to prank somebody, okay? You guys will be seeing a prank video, but those ones are fantastic. Everybody likes to watch those, okay? So number 23, make fun of another video that you saw. So if there's a video that you've seen and there's some issues or some things about it that you think are interesting, you can poke fun at it. You just have fun with it and tell us what you think about it, and just make fun of what they were doing in that video. Number 24, what's on my phone? Like, everybody's phone may be similar in a lot of ways, but it can't be identical, right? So you may have a Samsung, I have a Samsung, or you have an iPhone, I also have one, but your apps are going to be different, and how you're going to use your apps and everything in your phone is going to be different from mine. So you can share with us what you got on your phone, okay? And then number 25, the last but not least, is how to start a business. So a lot of people want to start a business, but they don't know how. So you can make a video of how to start it, how you started. If you have a business, for instance, you can show us how you started your business, or tell us how you started a business and put it on YouTube. Make a YouTube video of it. That was my very first video, was how I started my business. Okay, I'm going to make another video too, you know, giving you guys the details, or you know, of the steps that I went through to start it. Okay, so that in case, you know, somebody's trying to start a business, you know, that's you know, that should be helpful to you. All right, so that is it. That's 25 video ideas that you can use to start making videos. All right, so I hope that was helpful to you. So if you are not subscribed to me yet, please press the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and follow me, so that, you know, so you can see everything else I'm doing. If you're already a subscriber to me, I am so grateful to you. Thank you very much for subscribing and sticking with me, watching all my videos. And until next time, I will catch you guys. Bye-bye.